Alright, fine. Today we're going to do a listing on the blogs that I put together. We're going to one of my clients, Warren Leslie's blog, to add this listing. As you can remember, to log in, you go to the domain name or the URL, and you type in WP -admin, and that will take you to your back end of your blog. And here you'll have your login details. You type that in, type in your password, and you log in. Now remember, what we're going to do, or what we want to do today, is a listing. So it's important that realize that the quality of your picture and that type of thing is vital here. On your dashboard, this is the dashboard, this is where everything happens from. We'll go to the listings tab. Let me just open that up, and we're going to add a new listing. You click on that. Sometimes this takes a little bit long, but you know, hopefully long. Okay, here are you in the listings tab. So you'll see that it looks just as or very similar to what the post tab looks like. You've got your header area there, the content. On the side here is where you're going to be adding your elements or your categories for search, in you know, how many bedrooms and so forth. This is where you're going to add the details of the property. That little custom text is special or reduced price or whatever. That becomes a little tag on the post itself on the front. I'll show you once we've done that. And then here you've got your search engine information again. It's a different one to what I'm putting in. This one doesn't show you well, how it's supposed to or look or when it's there, but it works exactly the same as the other one. And to see how that other one works, you can just video I did earlier. Great. So well, let me find that. I need to get the information right here. So off the thingy it says Elegant Entertainers Abode, and I'll be using that as well. Yeah, good. Okay, so we put that in. Something that's quite important that I learned from the beginning is that we want to get the keywords in there for the SEO. So what I'm going to do here is just do comma and put in Bloberg Strand, just so that there's an area reference there. Okay, then next thing I'm going to do is I'll take the information here that is got, but what I'm going to do with this, when I copy that, is that I will paste. Let me just do this, show you. I'll go and I find a notepad in my computer, right, and then I paste it in there first, because you don't want any unnecessary elements in there. So you'll actually now copy and paste it from your notepad and not straight from Word or anything like that into your blog, because it brings information that you don't necessarily want there. Okay, so control and copy that, go back to my, and I say control V, so I've got that pasted in there. Okay, he's got these little stars in there. I'll take that out. I'll just make that a point, and rather, it's also quite important to not make your sentences too long. You know, the people get bored and that type of thing. So here I'm just going to delete that, put a comma, and okay. You want to do a bit of a description here, because your description is how Google actually finds this, and how Google is going to you know, how Google is going to list it. Alright, so you want to make sure that you get some pretty description on there. The nice thing to know as well is that there's a spell check here. Okay, below deck, okay, I think that must be, it's channeled. So and I think below deck area must be some kind of trade name. If it's not, I do apologize. So below deck area. Okay. Then this is for our clients. That's why I don't know the listing tool. Anyway, what we're going to do now is we want to put in our main picture. So that you go and you click on that again, and you're now going to go find your main picture. But your main picture, you want to have at least 900 megapixels big, okay? Because that's going to go into your slider, and if it's not in your slider, then you know, that size in your slider, it's going to distort, or it's not going to look as nice as you want it to look. So basically you need to make sure that you get that sorted out. For this exercise, we're going to say, okay, let's say we want to view there, and we say open. This is your main picture, right? So that alternate text, you want to get your keyword in there as well. Okay, Blouberg strand is at I need to check that. Okay, so that's just the alternate text. Here you can have it full size, and you can use it as a featured image, and say we want that in the middle, and insert into your post. You know, the great thing is what you can do now is you can click on save draft, and this is going to give you what your post is going to look like. Okay? And you click on preview post, and it will open up what the listing looks like. This elegant containers about Blouberg strand. There's your main picture and your description in there. Alright, so what we'll do now